What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today I have a special treat for you guys. I know I'm always cooking and I'm always talking about vegan food, but today I wanted to share something with you guys, and it's about my DNA. For years, I have struggled with my identity, and I just didn't know who I really was. Being that my family descendants are from the island called Haiti, I always wanted to know who I really am. What does this have to do with food and cooking? A lot. A lot of us was colonized, and due to the colonization, a lot of us was taught to do certain things because of the culture we came from. How many of you guys love African food? How many of you guys love Mediterranean food, Asian food? They all come together, family, whether you think it does or it don't. So I decided, why not go and check my DNA? After carefully trying to figure out which DNA company I was gonna use, I decided to go with MyHeritage. But wait up. Yes, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't do it because I was fearing that they was gonna steal my DNA to make some clone of vegan kings. But it's been haunting me every single day that I cook and I recreate some dish for you guys. The seasonings that I use, the dishes that I make is starting to seem very familiar. How many of you guys love jollof rice? I know I do. After I did some investigation, I made jambalaya. I noticed that both recipes are almost the same. So that told me one thing, that due to colonizations, the Africans, descendants that was dropped in the Carolinas, down south, period, was using the same technique and the same recipes from Africa. And if you guys like fried dumpling or Jamaican festivals or bake, didn't you know that in Africa they have the same thing called puff puff? I know y'all wondering why I'm talking about Africa, but this is why. I started to realize that that's where I'm really from. So I decided to get MyHeritage instead of Ancestry and others. And the reason for that was I just like the results. I like what I saw when I watched most of the YouTube videos. So I'm gonna be opening MyHeritage with you guys today. It's sealed, never even opened it. So let's go. All right, family, so let me just open this up. They put it in like a very tight package. All right, so this is what it looks like, guys. All right, family, so this is how it opens. It's pretty neat. Just slide it out. It's my first time doing this, so bear with me. All right, family, let's open this baby up and see what's in here. So we got some, I guess this is the activation code. This is the, oh, this is for you guys to mail it out. I guess some tissue. And you got the swabs. And you got the little valves that you guys gotta send back in. All right, family, before swabbing your mouth or doing anything, you have to go to the Heritage website and activate the codes that they gave on this card. All right, family, so rotate the swab in your mouth on your cheeks for 30 to 60 seconds. All right, family, so after you're done rotating your swab in your mouth for 30 seconds, you're gonna get this little valve that they gave you, and you're gonna just put it in there, and you're gonna snap it. All right, now you cover it, and then you mail. All right, family, so now my results will take between 3 to 4 weeks, but you guys will still see me each and every Thursday dropping a cooking video. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you all. Peace. And you open it up and everything. Whoop. All right, family, so let's open this baby up and see what it